Hey guys, allow me to introduce you to four of my essentials. Today I'll be taking you through two of them. Hashtag no heat. So that is my number one. This is Holly's hair products. This is like the hair food that I use every day. I base it on my scalp and I gently massage it into my scalp. There she is. Yeah, anyway, so you use that every day. Here's my number two, slightly more liquid. It also provides great moisturization for my hair. You can see I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, my word, so exciting. So yeah, you don't want to do what I do here. Like I say, the last 3 months, but you need to use them well. If you use them well, they can even last longer. So yeah, pour it into the lid of the hair food and then massage it or put it into your hair. Sometimes I have my hair in twists like that. Find Holly's hair products on Facebook. They have quick delivery. The products last for 3 months, guys. And if you don't believe me, check them out on Facebook. This is my hair when I started using the products, and this is my hair now.